Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for the demo day and finale of the Etherlink Hackathon Summer of Code 2025. It's amazing to see so many of you here with us today. Hopefully excited to see some of our amazing teams present what they've built during the Summer of Code and also find out who all of the winners are. I'm sure there are lots of you in the crowd today who are eager to find out if your project was a winner. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. Just a reminder for everyone, we'd love to see some positive vibes in chat. I know you've all had an amazing Summer of Code. We've got GIFs on, we've got reactions on. I'd love to see the positivity in chat for all of our demoists. And also when the winners are announced, some great applause and stuff as well, because everyone has done amazingly, and I really want to see those good vibes. So let's get started. First of all, welcome to the teams who are here to demo with us. Good luck. Welcome to those of you who competed in the Summer of Code and are here to watch some of the top teams and learn about the winners. I hope you're looking forward to the event today. Let's get started. For those of you who do not know us and you're new to Encode Club, we are a developer education community. We help developers like you learn, build, and forge your careers in emerging tech. I hope that you've felt that vibe throughout the Summer of Code, how learning and building in a short span of time can really accelerate your career and your kind of domain of knowledge as well. So I hope you've had a great time and welcome to the community if you're new. We run loads of different programs, for example, educates, accelerators following on from hackathons, boot camps, and of course, hackathons like the one you've taken part in now. Before I talk a bit more about the Summer of Code, I want to invite Omji, who is our Head of Research Operations, up to the stage to wish our demos the best of luck and kind of start us wrapping up the program. Welcome, Omji.
So, hello everyone, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Nice. So, what an incredible journey. It's been already summer, like all the projects coming in and building. I remember perhaps some of you we met in Cannes during the Tez Dev Day. There's like a lot of, people who are very interested in jumping into the initiative. We've seen like collaboration, creativity, like determination come to the life. So I'm very, very excited to see that all the projects going to be having an opportunity to show their work. Of course, not all the finalists. If you couldn't make it to the finale this time, please don't get disappointed. It doesn't mean that your project wasn't great, but this time there are going to be interesting projects going to be showing what kind of things they have been building. And I'm sure that also there's some other teams who were excelling at a specific track, which you also can see them later on as the part of the winner announcement. It's so inspiring to see that, like, what kind of things you can pull out in short and long at the same time, like 4 weeks, building and learning something. And now it's the moment that you can showing off what kind of things you built. And of course, this is going to be the start of your journey. And I hope that this summer has been very fruitful for you. Building this, I start to see that, like, I don't know where you're based. Perhaps like you can drop in the chat. I'm personally based in Munich. It has been very, very cold, but today finally feel like very much of actual summer, a bit of the sun, quite hot weather, and I am very excited to see that all the passionate projects today. So please, everyone, please give full attention to the amazing teams. Be active on the chat, asking questions, give kudos. And I am very, very curious what you are going to be building afterwards. So please stay in touch and good luck.
Thank you, Omji. And absolutely, as Omji said, do not be disheartened if you are not one of the teams demoing today. There were so many amazing projects built during the Summer of Code. We couldn't possibly have all of them up at once. So please do not be disheartened. And I do also hope that you continue building using the foundation that you built during the Summer of Code, and you keep building out these projects built on Etherlink after the Summer of Code is over. So before we see our demoists, there are a few people I would really, really like to thank. So first of all, our supporting partners, so that's Gold Sky, Third Web, Redstone, and Sequence, and some of the last minute partners as well, who I know some builders ended up using some of their tech. But these partners were there from the start, and their tools, I'm sure, were invaluable to you guys as you started building from scratch a month ago, well, a month and a half ago now, and used their kind of shortcuts to make sure that your projects were top. So thank you so much to the teams for supporting, and the mentors from the teams who delivered workshops and supported builders throughout when they had their questions. I'd also love to give a massive thank you to our mentors, and some of these guys are also our judges. So a lot from the Etherlink team, I think we have Efe, Sophia, Tao, Vincian, Beata, of course, who you all know well, Aaron, who we saw in a workshop, not Aaron, Adebola, who we saw in a workshop, Alexandra, Aaron, and then the mentors from Sequence, Third Web, and Redstone, so that's James, Giselle, Mikolaj, and Andrew as well from Gold Sky. So a massive thank you to all of you for supporting the builders, and your support was invaluable and allowed them to build such amazing projects. So let's get started with the demos, because I'm sure you're excited to see some of the projects that were built during the Summer of Code. This is the demo order that we're going to go in today. Finalists, please can you check this order? It's changed since the last time we spoke. So make sure you know where you are in the order so that you don't get surprised when I invite you up to join me. So we're starting off with token rivals. So I'm going to invite Marshall up on stage to join me. Hi, Marshall. Your audio is a bit funny, but if you keep talking, I think it should fix itself.
Yeah. Is it fine now? Okay.
It's all good now. It's always at the start. Do you want to share your screen and we can get started with your demo?
Sure. Just give me a second. Is my screen visible?
Yes, if you just want to remove us.
Yeah. Ooh. So here's Marshall, and I'm here to present token rivals. So let's look into the similarities between crypto and fantasy sports. Well, in crypto, the price change every second for every single token out there. And in fantasy sports, your player stats change every second during the match. In crypto, you build a portfolio using your favorite tokens, and in fantasy sports, you build a squad using your favorite players. In crypto, there is a huge community behind every single token out there, and in fantasy sports, there's a fan base behind every single football or cricket club. So what if we combine fantasy sports with crypto, where people could draft their own token squad, compete in PvP matches based on market trends? So that is exactly what Token Rivals is all about, where you could draft your token squad, bet on whether you're going to short or long your tokens, stake some money, share your room ID with your friends, and compete with them. So this is a game where the winner takes all of the stake. So let's take a look into a short demo. Right. So here you can see user A creates their squad by signing up with MetaMask, and they're going to create a new room, enter the stake amount, bet on long, which means that you're betting that their token prices go up. And user B does the same. They create their own squad, enter the tournament, and they join an existing room in this case, which is basically the room ID created by user A. And upon joining, they'll be prompted to stake a specific amount, and upon confirmation, the tournament begins. So here you could see a 60-second tournament between the token squad of A and B, where within a minute, the price of the tokens which go up are declared as the winners. So let's wait to see who wins. And after a minute, we could see that the guest won the match. Right, we could see some stats over there, and let's click to view the transaction on the Explorer. Yeah, we could see that the transaction is executed successfully. All right, so whom did we build this product for? We built this for the 2.5 million people who are crypto traders and fantasy sport users at the same time. So our application is built on the best, where our contract is deployed on Etherlink, where we store the game details, the winner details, and so on. Our price feeds are fetched directly from the Pith network, and our application server is currently running on Google Cloud Run. So that was Token Rivals. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Marshall, for presenting. I'm going to send you backstage. Well done. For Samrud in the chat who was asking if you could hear, hopefully you can hear me, but try refreshing your browser if you're having any difficulties. Next up, we have Jetpack Runner. So I'm going to invite Yashashvi up onto the stage to present.
Rebecca, let me just share my screen. Yeah, I hope it is visible and you can hear me. If somebody can confirm.
I can't hear you currently. Say something now.
Is it still you can't hear me?
Oh, I can hear you now. You were moving your mouth and I couldn't, but now I can.
Okay,
so let's get started.
Okay, yeah, sure. So hello and welcome everyone. This is Project Jetpack Runner built during the Etherlink Summer of Code Hackathon by Team Alpha Devs. So basically, Jetpack Runner is a fully on-chain retro-style 2D runner game. So let's go through some of the features. So Jetpack Runners basically has an aesthetically designed gameplay. There are various characters, jetpacks, environments like the forest, city, and Mars. There are some power-ups and mystery boxes which player can collect during the gameplay. Also, players collect coins which power the entire game economy, basically. So you can just purchase the skins and jetpack with these coins, and you own everything you purchase as it is on-chain and secured by the Etherlink blockchain. So now let's move to the tech stack which we have used to build the game. So we have used the Etherlink testnet to store our entire game state and the player data. And then we have used Sequence as our wallet solution. And lastly, we have used the Phaser 3 game physics engine to build our game. So without wasting any time, let's just go through the game demo. So basically, this is a web-based game. You can just connect your wallet and register the player. So game states are on the Etherlink testnet. So you will be needing some testnet XDG to play the game and update the states. So now we will register our wallet as a player. And the process is going on. And as we can see that we are registered. So now we can just start playing by clicking on the Tap to Play button. Here we will see a very short demo of the gameplay in which the player will be able to collect some coins, grab some mystery boxes, and avoid some obstacles. And finally, the player will eventually hit an obstacle, and then we will be able to exit our game. So yes, now we can exit our game and update our player data state. So the player states are being updated, and on refresh, we can see that the states are updated, and I can successfully view the coins that I have right now. We can also check the game missions one has completed. There are all the missions we have, and we also have a reward section. As in the gameplay, we have collected a mystery box, so we can just claim it, and I should be getting some coins credit against this for right now. So as on the refresh, we can see that the coins has increased. So we also have a shop section, and here the player is able to purchase the assets that we have in the game. Right now, I do not have the sufficient coins to purchase it. So basically, I will not be able to purchase it. And lastly, we will have a leaderboard where you can see all the registered players and their respective ranks during the gameplay and the coins they have collected. So yeah, this was a quick demo of the gameplay. Finally, I would like to share about our vision for the Jetpack Runner. So we want to bring Jetpack Runner to Etherlink mainnet, where all in-game assets will be NFTs, which will be tradable, giving players true ownership of their game assets. We plan on to build this game fully on-chain and power this game mechanics by the JRC token. So the player will be able to earn this token in the game and use it to trade in-game assets as well as swap it on decentralized exchange. Of course, that will be on later stages. Also, we will be extensively improving gameplay and implement proof of playing using the ZK and Oracle-based signatures for fair gameplay and on-chain player state data. So yeah, that's all from Team Alpha Devs, and we are looking forward to receiving support from the Etherlink team to keep working on this game and bring it to the mainnet. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much for presenting Jetpack Runner. I'm going to send you backstage now. Next up, we have Viral Forge. So I'm going to invite Gustav up on stage to present. I love the reactions in chat, everyone. It's great to see the support and engagement. Gustav, if you're not getting the invite, can you let me know and we'll move forwards. Oh, I see you're getting ready, which is great.
Hello.
Hello, welcome. Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. One sec, I'll share my screen.
Yes, please.
Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, looking good.
Hello.
Looking good. Can you hear me?
Okay, should I start now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Kaustubh and I'm excited to introduce you guys with Viral Forge, where memes meet Web3 economics. We are fixing a broken meme economy by letting people who curate culture, actually own and earn from it. Today's problem is that creation and monetization live in two separate ecosystems. There's no single place to create, validate, and get rewarded. Meme platforms like 9gag or ImageFlip don't pay creators despite their huge engagement. And the meme coins are mostly hype driven with no real creative value. Bottom line, profits go to platforms, not the people making content go viral. Creators are undervalued and underpaid. So our solution, Viral Forge. It unifies creation, validation, and monetization. Template creation studio to upload and monetize meme templates. Humor prediction markets, where user can stake on whether a meme will be considered funny or not. Decentralized rewards, where 95% of the prize pool goes to winning voters and 5% as royalties to the creator. We have built this on Etherlink for low fees, fast finality, and EVM compatibility for fun, fast, and cheap to use. So how does it work, you ask? Well, the template upload. Users can upload template that's stored on IPFS. A smart contract creates a prediction market using them. Then meme creation. Users can add captions to those templates in our editor. Then voting. Users can swipe right to vote in the favor or left to stake against that meme, or users can also skip that particular meme. Then the settlement part. After creation of each meme, settlement occurs after 6 hours. Majority wins and rewards are auto distributed. Every meme become a micro prediction market. You are rewarded for taste of taste in your humor. Then what sets us apart from other platforms? We guarantee for creators, we guarantee the royalties on every meme for their template. For voters, they can earn from their accurate humor predictions. For the community, gamified and high engagement experience. We are cross-platform, full web app plus Telegram mini app, building a sustainable community-driven meme economy. Here are some memes from our platform. As you can read them. Okay, in conclusion, I would like to say that at Viral Forge, we are not just building a meme platform, we are building financially sustainable culture. We take the best part of internet, laughter, and make sure that value flows to the people who create it. We are turning scrolling into skin in the game and turning memes into markets. The future of memes isn't just going viral, it's getting paid. Thank you.
Thank you very much for presenting Viral Forge. I enjoyed those memes. If you want to share them in the Discord after the event, that'd be great.
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to remove you from stage now because next up we have Argument. And Krish, I'm inviting you up. If you don't see the invite, can you let me know and I'll move forwards. If that is the case, oh, yeah, Okay, I'm sending an invite. Hello. Do you want to share your screen? I think your audio might be a bit strange. Can you keep talking?
Sure.
Okay, yeah, it's all good again. It always happens
Yeah.
when people first join me on stage, like I can't hear them, and then
Is my screen visible?
yes. If we can
One
currently
second,
see.
I'll just go
Yeah.
full
Great.
screen mode. Select, just adjust it. Here I go. Greetings, everyone. My team and I built Argument, a fun competitive debate platform where teams debate, earn tokens, and win NFT based on performance. As you see, online debate often lacks engagement, incentive, and verifiable scoring. Some of the problems you face when debating online are: firstly, you do not get any reward of any kind. Second, there's nobody to keep a track of your score. Third, people even forget who won the debate. So, also, current debate platforms are static and do not motivate users to perform better or track their wins. The solution: Argument. We combine Web3 incentives with competitive debate, making debates exciting, provable, and rewarding. Everything is handled by our smart contracts, from team formation to token mint to token distribution and NFT minting. Let's quickly show you how a debate is created, played, and how rewards are given. We engineered all game logic on-chain so results can't be tampered with and used WebSockets for instant front-end updates. From the homepage, you can browse through active debate room. Here I'll be joining an existing room to demonstrate live debate experience. Firstly, you'll need to choose a side, after which you'll enter a group chat where you can send and receive messages. Normally, you'd see both teams present here, but in this demo, my WebSocket server wasn't active. So there are no live opponents in the room. The persuade button is a special feature designed for team switching. If you feel you can contribute better to the other side, you can send a persuasion request. This feature is currently disabled in my build, so it won't change during this demo. At the top, you can see the debate timer and current scores. These update dynamically as the debate progresses, and points are rewarded. You can leave the room at any time and return to the home page. After the timer ends, the rewards are automatically distributed among the winning team. What's next, you ask? We want we want to launch as a decentralized debate platform on the Etherlink mainnet and add leaderboard and seasonal tournaments for all players. So, are you the greatest mind flipper of all time? If yes, do check out our platform by scanning this QR code. And last but not the least, we're Argument, bringing fun, fairness, and rewards to online debate. Thank you.
Thank you for presenting Argument. I'm going to send you backstage again now because next up we have Ideaverse. So Kevin, I'm inviting you up to join me on stage.
Okay, hello.
Welcome. Hello, welcome.
Open my camera. All right.
If you're able to.
A little bit shy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen. It shows.
It's loading. Yeah, looks good.
Okay. Let me start. Every word-changing product start as an idea, right? But in Web3 and tech communities, the earliest ideas are the most fragile. They get stolen, buried in forgotten chats, or simply fade away. Creators, students, hackers, they have no safe space to share early concept without fear. They lack ownerships, reputations, and a way to form trustworthy teams. Today, most idea sharing is just scatter notes, DMs, and Notion docs, invisible to the world and impossible to protect. Idea first changed that. It's a Web3 builder paradise where you can own ideas, take teams, and build worlds. First, you mean your Soulbound superhero profile, your on-chain identity, then you encrypt and publish your idea as an NFT. Others can buy and unlock it in our marketplace and you gain reputation from ratings. And when you are ready to build, form or join a team by staking, a trustless commitment that makes collaboration real. We are launching first in Asia Pacific on Etherlink, tapping into a $10 billion ecosystem of hackathon participants, freelancers, and tech students. Because we have built a platform that rewards early innovation, create verifies reputation, and gamified collaboration. Today, we monetize truths, idea fees, and team fees. Tomorrow, we add premium AI features for idea matchmaking and quality prediction, plus sponsored superhero NFT from brands and DAOs. Ideaverse has a long quest and mission to help builders and dreamers come together because we already in start our stage 1 to make it reality. This is what you can do as superhero that you can buy and create your idea. After that, you can rate the creator idea, and the last one you can create and join team. Ready to demo Avengers? This is the first landing page, and you will have to create superhero identity using ERC721. After that, you can go to marketplace where you can buy and create idea. This is the process of create idea, and you can buy some idea. After that, you buy the idea, appear in your purchases, and can see all the view or content of that, and can rate the creator of the idea for reputation. After that, you can see team page to create and join team. This is the process of create team and pick anything you need and the stake amount. After that, you can join team and shoot stake amount, and you will have some dashboard detailed team from it. And the last one, you can see other builders and their profile. This is our team who believe to builders and dreamers out there can build the world. Idea first is where builders become heroes, and the smallest sparks can ignite the next Web3 revolution. Own your idea, build it the world. If you have vision, it's belong here. Thank you.
Thank you, Catherine, for presenting. I'm going to send you backstage now. Next up, we have the Seas of Linkardia. So I'm inviting Bruno up to come and present. Well done to all of our demoists today who've gone so far. Bruno, welcome. We have 3 more demos left, and then we're going to head into the winners announcements, which is exciting.
Just 1 second.
Yep, not a problem.
Perfect.
Looking good.
Great. Hi, everyone. I'm Bruno. Today, I want to show you Seas of Linkardia. This is a naval RPG game where pirates and the Navy are in constant fight. And you, as a player, will have the chance to join one of these factions, create a ship, and battle with other players. The game is a browser game created in Etherlink with all the logic and transactions happening on-chain. The project is using third web API, so you can play with your Google account, Twitter, or your MetaMask. And there's just one smart contract handling the game system and registering the accounts. So let's play. Let's connect using third web integration with MetaMask. Let's create an account. Choose our faction, the ship's name, the starting location, and done. Here we are. The game begins with your ship docked at the port. Ports are safe places, so no one can attack you here. First, you can hire more crew for your ship, and the crew is used to collect more gold from barrels and also the daily rewards. After that, you can upgrade your ship with all the upgrades available. Each upgrade will add one of these stats. So, for example, evolve my cannons will give me more attack, which is great to face my enemies later. Upgrading your ship will also give you GPM, which means gold per minute. So your balance will grow over time to keep evolving your ship. To travel from one place to another, we need to open the map, choose a coordinate, and select the type of travel, free or using diamonds. Traveling here is based on the speed of your ship, so faster ships will spend less time reaching the destination. And here, there's a ranking system with a play-to-earn logic behind it. The game rewards the top 3 players with XTZ, the same XTZ paid for the diamonds in this game. So, let's battle. A battle happens when a ship from a faction chooses to attack another faction's ship. Right after that, the smart contract makes the damage calculation based on attack versus defense and announces the result. When a ship is destroyed, it will be sent to the nearest port for repairs. The game used a lot of transactions since from traveling to battling, but this was built on Etherlink, so transactions are very, very cheap and nearly free. So just one XTZ will be enough to play the game for a long, long time. And this is CS of Linkardia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bruno, for presenting Seas of Linkardia. Next up, we have Superlink. So I'm going to invite Enzo up to join me on stage. Hey, Enzo, welcome.
Thanks. Let me share my screen.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go. Hi, everyone. I am very glad to show you Superlink, which is a DeFi protocol that provides votes, and each vote is basically a DeFi yield strategy that I design and that I curate on the platform. So first of all, I noticed that on Etherlink, you have pretty much any of the key platforms and assets that you can find on any DeFi network, but there is no DeFi protocol that can leverage these assets. The ecosystem is very rich, but for beginners, it can be too time consuming or just impossible, or even for experienced users, it's just too time consuming and too complicated. So basically everyone gives up, and there's no Morpho or Yearn like platform on Etherlink as of now until Superlink comes. And again, I said that the ecosystem was very rich, so I want to bridge this UX gap with Superlink. And by the way, happy all-time high for the TVL today on Etherlink. And so about the product in itself, basically it is live on Etherlink mainnet over at superlink.fun. You have an app page. So you have one vote as of now. It's the USD votes, which basically takes USDC deposits and then optimize these deposits over on Superland, which is the Aave v3 fork of Etherlink, based on the highest interest rates between USDC and USDT. So when you click on the vote detail, of course, you see the vote key metrics. You have the current allocations, whether it's USDC or USDT, the current APY, but you also have your own key metrics as a user if you connect your wallet on the top right corner. Again, you have a one USDC minimum deposits and a 24-hour withdrawal lock. And of course, the vote activity can be monitored, and it is indexed by a subgraph. Everything is reviewable on the GitHub repo. Again, now about the admin page. There's an admin page that you can access only if you have the admin wallet, and you can access the admin gated functions, so rebalancing, claiming the performance fees, and pausing and unpausing the votes, and even setting the vote cap in TVL. And so lastly, my vision in the short term is, of course, to audit the vote. I want it to be safe. I want the code to be secure. And when it's done, my plan is to raise the TVL cap to 100,000 USDC. And on the long term, I plan to become, I wish to become the go-to platform for DeFi savings and yield strategies on Etherlink, to the likes of Morpho, as I mentioned. And lastly, I have many ideas of strategies. I love to think of creative ideas to earn enhanced yields. So I just mentioned two examples on the right corner. For example, a market making vote on the order book DEX that is Hanji, or even a Tezos deal neutral vote. I am currently working on them, and my goal is to set them up. Thank you for listening. If you want to see a full demo, of course, you can scan the QR code. It is available on my Twitter account.
Thank you very much, Enzo. I'm going to move you backstage now. We have one more pitch, and that is the hash pit. So Jayanth, I'm inviting you up to join me on stage, and then we're going to get into the winners announcements, which is very exciting. Welcome.
Let me share the screen.
Let's go.
Is it visible?
Yeah, if you want to remove us from the corner, but yeah.
Yep. Hello, folks. Welcome to the hash pit, where crypto meets combat Let's enter the pit and know more about like, what are the problems I'm solving. Yep. Let's understand the problems. Traditional gaming has no real value, and DeFi is complex for the casual folks. And like NFTs are just sitting idle in the wallets. And finally, the boring static NFT based 2D games. That was too boring. So what we are solving, we are getting the crypto battles which will give you real rewards. And trading is now totally game driven. No chats, no jargons, and your NFTs have like a real dynamic value in the future. And finally, it was like a classic Tekken based 3D boxing game. Let me break down how this exactly works. Yeah, let's enter the pit. To join the pit, you need to own a NFT fighter. By owning a NFT fighter means an NFT fighter is backed by cryptocurrency, which can be like a Bitcoin Brad or Ethereum Remy or Aptos Ross, which was having a real value backed by NFT. And you can stake and earn rewards, or you can even battle to death to get higher stake of rewards. By owning the NFT, you get exclusive access, passive income, and community power, and eventually your NFT grows in value when the game grows. Yeah, let's see how to enter the battle. By joining a battle, you need to consider three important stuff. Every battle has a duration. It may be like 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. It can be anything, and it has a price pool. The main important thing, you need to join or create a battle which was like already created, and you just take your NFT which was you have minted previously, and you need to bet some amount. That's it. Your battle was created on the initiation point. The battle will automatically run. Let's see how the battle exactly works. Here you can see like, the 3D models fighting each other by the cryptocurrency prices. Like, every 3 seconds, we are streaming pit prices. Every movement was like, initiated by the cryptography volatility itself. There is no button mashing. There is nothing. Yeah. Here you see like on the particular duration, Ethereum has like a lot of volatility than the Bitcoin, and Ethereum wins. Let's go to the core battle, how exactly the architecture works. We have used like ERC 721 for the NFT fighters, and we have used power NFT contest, which was like ERC 1155, and user stakes the contract, PIT verifies the start price, and the battle starts. After the battle, we take some prize, and whoever wins, they will get the prize. Yeah. For the tech stack, we have using 3Js for the gaming stuff and for the streaming stuff, and we have deployed the contracts in um, Etherlink, and we have used Pit Oracle and Pit external APIs for the real-time data streaming. Yeah, and we have used Sequence for like deploying the ERC20 contracts and other stuff. That's it. Ready to fight? We'll be soon in Etherlink mainnet. Thank you, and follow for more updates. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Jayant, for presenting the hash pit. So they were some of the amazing projects that were built during the Summer of Code. And I'm so glad that you guys got the opportunity to see what some people have built. But now we're going to hear about a lot more of the great projects that were built, because we're going to announce the winners in the hackathon. So to do this, I'm going to invite Beata, who we all know, up on to join me on stage. And Adebola, I'll also invite you up if you would like to join me, because I'm really excited to get into announcing the winners. Welcome, Beata. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Rebecca. First of all, I want to highlight that it was one of the hardest decisions we've ever needed to make, because we had to go through quite a few projects, and we're very grateful for every single project. And I want to highlight that if I could, I would give the prize to everybody. and I think it would be unfair if we, for example, say, all right, everybody wins. But for me, everybody's a winner because you spend a great time together building something that is useful and have a potential to become a startup in the future. And some of the projects we see as potential business development connection, and we will reach out to some of you even if you didn't win. So it's not a loss completely. It was a very difficult choice, as I said, but all the builders can keep all the perks from our partners. If you want to, you can reach out to us. We can provide you extra support in setting up the Google Cloud credits. We can support you in using all the partners, including Third Web Sequence, Redstone, and of course Gold Sky. So all the perks, you can keep them. What else? Like I said, we will reach out to you in maybe next week to follow up on some of the possibilities we can provide you, and the summer of codes will continue. So I think it's going to be a big fun for all of us, because we want to onboard as many builders as we can. And yeah, we spent a lot of time. I need to admit, I went through the whole list of projects, I think 3 times. It was a very difficult decision. We consulted everything with other judges. It's not only me and Adebola. It was a bunch of people debating till last moment who will receive the prize. So yeah, okay. I think it's about time to start announcing. So Adebola, the stage is yours. You will announce the very first bunch, which is the DeFi. Let's do it.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Beata. Thanks, Rebecca. Once again, just like Beata mentioned, we got a lot of very exciting projects that we're super proud of. And this is probably our largest turnout as well at any of our hackathons. So we're just super excited to be a part of this, and also to be announcing the winners as well. So for the best DeFi, I'm going to start from 3rd place, just to give some suspense. And in 3rd place, we've got, please give it up for MeshPay. MeshPay is an offline blockchain payments platform for emerging markets. Super cool project that we really liked. And in 2nd place, we've got Superlink. Superlink is a mature DeFi vault project. And I think we saw the demo earlier from, I think his name was Enzo. Yeah, super cool project as well. And then in 1st place, we've got Stack. So Stack is a DeFi project that allows you to use your crypto assets to buy real world assets like stock, like shares, like bonds, etc. So congrats to all our winners, and yeah, keep building on Etherlink.
And if we have any winners who we haven't seen present today in chat, please make yourself known so that we can congratulate you as well. Congratulations to the first set of winners in the best DeFi application track. Should we go on now to the, oh, sorry, got some fireworks there. Should we go on now to the best game or on-chain interactive experience?
Yes, Adebola, again, the stage is yours.
Okay. Cool. So for the best on-stage interactive experience, this is the game one, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So in 3rd place, we've got Jetpack Runner. You guys saw the demo of Jetpack Runner as well. Super cool game. We really liked it. In 2nd place, we've got Seas of Linkardia. Again, very exciting game to play. We also saw them demo earlier, so super cool as well. And then in 1st place, we've got the Etherlink Bounce to Earn GameFi. So once again, congratulations to all our winners.
Great stuff. Congratulations, everyone. Next up, we have the Collab Culture bounty, which was building tools for collaboration.
All right. Piazza, you want to do this one?
Yes, my turn. Absolutely. So let's start with the third place, which is, oh my God, I lost the. All right, we can go on. Yes, the third place, which is Foretell, and yes, it's a very, very cool collaboration project. And I think one of the key features here was the integration with Farcast. So I think Farcaster integration was really, really cool and a winning piece. For the second place, it's Avalon, and Avalon is a very, very nice collaboration platform. We all agreed that it can be very useful for everybody participating in Etherlink art culture. And speaking about art, the very first one is Permalink, a fully on-chain generative art platform. Very cool concept, good social media appeal as well. So kudos to you guys.
Well done, everyone who won in the Collab Culture Bounty. Next up, we have the Vibe Code Challenge, which was challenging you to build something wild and weird. So should we start with third place?
Yes. So Etherblinks, great execution, very nice concept. I think it's I like simplicity, and I think this project can have a very, very big impact on collecting some extra tips and small payments. So well done on this one. For the second place, we have Etherlink Agent Kit, and that was unexpected for me. For example, I was very impressed with the package that was completely different to all the other projects. So well done here. And yeah, the very first one that I love the concept the most, plus creative and engaging UX, was a Timestone. So congrats to the winners here.
Okay, so well done everyone who won in the Vibe Code track. So they were our main 4 tracks in the hackathon, but we also had some special awards. So who's going to come and announce the special awards? We have the community choice up first.
So yes, the community choice. It was a tricky to it's a funny story there, because I watched the demo and it was super fast. So hint to the winner, please don't record on speed. It's a big challenge. We need to slow you down. But if let's say your development process is as quick as your voice, good luck for you. It's a TKT, and this is a mobile app. So I'm very happy that we have also mobile apps here. So well done.
Very cool stuff. Next up, we have the judges' choice.
Okay, so for the Judges' Choice Awards, we've got FOMO Insurance. I thought it was a pretty cool insurance concept. The way you kind of like thought about, okay, how do I insure my crypto at the same time, right? We thought it was pretty cool, and so that's why we're giving the Judges' Choice Awards to FOMO Insurance. Well done, FOMO Insurance.
Congratulations, FOMO Insurance. And we have the Big Overall project, which is the best in the hackathon as a whole. So who does this project go to? This prize, sorry.
This prize. So the choice was technically between the winners of 4 categories. And without further ado, Permalink. Congrats to you guys. Well done.
Congratulations to all of the winners. If you are in chat, please let us know. I think we see Toby, who is the project stack, who won Ghost. Are you from Avalon? And lots of congrats in chat, which is great to see. Yes, thank you to the judges. I know that can't have been an easy decision. You had so many projects to go through, and hopefully we're beyond impressed with what everyone built. And as Beata said, being such a tough choice. If you didn't win this time, you should not be disheartened, because you still could have built something amazing, and you should definitely continue building on the Etherlink ecosystem, because it could take you places. This is only the first summer of code, and there's going to be more. So definitely keep building and build on what you did this month. So with that being said, a massive congratulations to everyone who participated in the Summer of Code Challenge. Thank you so much for coming and joining us as we wrap up and celebrate all the amazing projects that we've seen. I would love to invite our demoists back on stage to take a nice group photo to celebrate the moment. If there is any other winners, and please be honest here, if there is any other winners in chat who would like to come on stage and be in the picture, let me know in chat. But please be honest, otherwise I will just Photoshop you out. Yes, the list of winners will be published, so don't worry about that. It will be on the website, and I'm sure it will be posted on social media as well, so you can check back there and repost it, of course, if you were a winner, to brag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start inviting our demoists back on stage. If you missed the invite, let me know. We've got a very busy room. Let's have a look. Toby, I'll invite you up. Congratulations to Superlink. I know you won.
Thank you very much.
Bruno, welcome back. Let me close my chat now so that I can get more of us in one group. Big smiles, everyone. I'm going to start taking some nice pictures of us, and we're going to celebrate the Summer of Code. So big smiles. Great stuff, everyone. Congratulations to those of you who won, and to those of you who didn't, don't take it to heart. Keep building, keep working, keep learning, keep using the tools that you started to learn to use during the hackathon, and I'm sure you'll win one day. We will wrap it up here, everyone. Thank you for joining us to celebrate all the great projects, and I hope you had an amazing Summer of Code. I really do hope that Summer 2025 did change your lives for the better. So congratulations, everyone, and we will see you around in the Encode Club community.
See you, everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, Rebecca.